Most couples would like to avoid money arguments. However, if you are like many couples, you do not always see eye to eye on how to spend your money, especially when it comes to what is a worthwhile hobby or spa regimen. One way to avoid stressful discussions is to carve out a portion of your joint finances to be available to each person without a need to get permission or agreement on how to spend that discretionary money. That way, there is enough freedom in your financial relationship to discuss the important joint financial priorities, such as buying a house or saving for college, while enabling those personal passions to get their share of attention and financial investment. For more information on how couples can successfully manage their money jointly, see our website or go to Amazon to purchase our book, Financial Essentials for Couples by Nancy Burgundine and Irene Van Dyke.